Welcome to Vrindavan Greens, where we transform your empty spaces into beautiful, eco-friendly, and relaxing environments. Transform your dream garden into reality with us today.
A stunning piece of modern architecture, complete with high-end finishes and perfect lines, often sits on a flat, barren plot of packed dirt. Without a landscape, the living experience stops at the front door. Looking out a window onto empty ground creates a subtle psychological friction. Humans are biologically wired to seek out natural environments, and when a property lacks greenery, it fails to serve as a genuine retreat for its inhabitants. This chart shows a side-by-side comparison of a concrete-heavy residential plot against a fully developed green space. Converting a hot, sterile vacuum into a cooling, oxygen-producing ecosystem requires a systematic, engineered journey. Vrindavan Greens, led by Pravin Vanaliya, specializes in this environmental transformation. The team operates as architects of the natural world, bridging the gap between built structures and the land they occupy. Meticulous engineering defines the luxury garden, transforming it into a precise environment designed to restore human peace and elevate the property's local ecosystem. Long-term landscape health begins with a design that maps the topography. We assess the technical needs of the land before a single blade of grass is ever planted. This 3D cross-section illustrates the required subsurface architecture: integrated layers of drainage gravel, graded topsoil, and root expansion zones. Within these, a drip irrigation system routes water directly to the roots, eliminating surface evaporation and ensuring long-term sustainability. For expansive lawn installations and farmhouse landscaping, we scale these subsurface systems to manage large topographies, maintaining consistent water pressure and drainage across the entire estate. Vrindavan Greens utilizes premium, commercial-grade materials and skilled workmanship during this foundational phase to prevent future soil collapse or waterlogging issues. The vitality of a luxury garden is dictated by the invisible engineering buried beneath the grass. Modern residential lots often have limited ground space. To create a sense of immersion without expanding the footprint, the design must utilize verticality. This terrace garden blueprint shows the structural requirements for vertical growth. It incorporates a specialized weight-bearing framework, heavy-duty waterproof membranes, and integrated vertical irrigation lines to protect the building. Strategic selection of decorative plants and trees creates natural privacy screens and windbreaks, establishing visual focal points that draw the eye upward and define the space. Water features and fountains introduce kinetic motion. The continuous sound of flowing water masks urban noise, instantly shifting the atmosphere of a courtyard or terrace. Custom outdoor lighting takes over as the sun sets. Strategic illumination along pathways and uplighting on trees changes the environment's utility and mood, allowing the garden to be used well into the night. Layering vertical flora, dynamic water, and strategic light transforms an empty space into an immersive, multi-sensory sanctuary. Once the engineering is complete, the mechanics fade into the background. The result is a fully realized residential oasis, ready for families to experience. Families gain a serene, eco-friendly environment right outside their doors, a dedicated place to disconnect from the world and host connections in a natural setting. Routine garden maintenance services protect this investment. Our team handles the pruning, the regular fertilization routines, and seasonal landscape adjustments, so the ecosystem thrives without requiring the homeowner's time. Every Vrindavan Greens project is backed by a guarantee of timely completion, custom solutions, and absolute customer satisfaction. Stop living with barren outdoor spaces. Contact us today for professional landscaping and development, and let our expert team build your ultimate natural sanctuary. The addition of a living, breathing landscape completes the estate, providing the ultimate restorative environment for a high-end home.